Hello everyone. I'm posting this video to break down the concept of Kadane's algorithm. Honestly, I realized something that if I'm just solving a question by myself, I can always come back here and watch my own videos in future. Like, what if I forget it and something? So if it ends up helping you as well, it's going to be good. I will go through the code at the end of the video and I will try to keep it as short as possible while packing in all the details you want so that you don't have to look for it anywhere else. So let's start. Okay, so in Kadane's algorithm, it is used to find the maximum sum of contiguous sub-arrays within a given array. In this array, you can see we have positive and negative elements as well. But if it was all positives, what we have to do is just add all of them up and then we can get the maximum sum. But in this case, it's not like that. You might have seen this problem in lead code because we will be doing the lead code question number 53 at the end of the video. Okay, so we can approach this problem with brute force method as well, but that's not going to work since we will be needing for loops and the time complexity of those in this case is going to be a lot, and we don't want that. So the intuition behind Kadane's algorithm is instead of checking all possible sub-arrays, Kadane works like this. You walk through the array once, and at each position you ask, if I extend the sub-array I had before, will it increase my sum or should I start fresh? These are the two key ideas here. I am going to give you, in simple words, this is what I'm trying to explain. Either we extend the current sub-array in which what we are doing is we are taking the sub-array and adding the current element in it as well. If it's greater than the current element, we are keeping the array and we are extending it. So you can see that in the example as well. If the current sum is 5 and the current element is -2, if we add them up, it's 3. So we are extending the array. For us to start a fresh array, a fresh sub-array, this is going to be the condition. So I hope you understand this. We now will be just writing the code in lead code. Okay, so this is the code that I have written. I will be explaining to you this. And let's start with the function definition. Oh, the function definition takes a vector of integer nums and returns an integer as well. This line, what it does is answer will store the largest subarray sum found so far, and it starts with an integer minimum, so it works even if all the numbers are negative. This line, sum keeps track of the current subarray as you move throughout the array. This is our range-based loop, and we are just looping through each element. In this line, we are talking about do we start fresh at the element or add it to the current subarray. The example I gave you before in the PowerPoint presentation. This line, we are updating the global maximum if the sum is bigger than what we had before. Now we just have to return the answer. And just run the code. Hopefully it passes the test cases. It does. So that's it. Thanks for watching.